Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to remove the window crank. So if you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. Now we're going to remove the window crank handle. It's a manual window. I'm going to use a body tool with this little fork right here, and it's basically just pops off. There's no clip or nothing. So with pressure on this and pressure on the handle, I'm going to snap it right off. You can see how it just has like these little fingers that wrap around the window regulator, and that's it. So the spacer goes like that, with the inverted going that way. Now you know when the window's up, the crank should be right about 2 o'clock. Snap it on.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.